There's something drawn there. Chalk.
Pink.
Doc.
A clue.
Maybe.
What do you think it is?
I thought I told you you couldn't help.
I'm curious.
You don't say.
Maybe it's a sign.
It could be. It's pink chalk, which is weird.
Okay, back to investigating.
Hey, Clementine.
Haley.
Do, you have any pink chalk?
No, it's gone somewhere. Do you want blue?
No, it's okay.
Psst, Lee. I found something.
What is it?
I found this piece of pink chalk and a scuff of it over by the gate.
Really?
Totally. I was combing the scene for clues and...
Yeah, Duck, I got it. Good job.
Cool.
More chalk. Somebody was over here, too. I suppose I should go out there and look around. You stay here this time. Seriously.
Okay.
It's a bag of something. Son of a bitch.
You haven't come up with anything, have you?
I came up with this. It's got a bunch of meds in it. It was in a grate on the outside wall, and there's a sign on the other one.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, we line everybody up. Everybody. Somebody is killing us. Stealing from that supply is the same as slipping into your room at night and cutting your throat while you sleep. You die. What is the difference? What if Clementine gets sick and we don't have what we need? What the hell?
You don't fucking steal from us!
Who the fuck is that?
Y'all better
Got our
get
people
your
out
ass
there.
out here! We ain't fucking around!
What do we do?
Oh,
Lily.
shit! They're gonna start kicking in doors any second.
Lily, what the hell are you—
Stall him.
What?
Just keep him talking. Do whatever it takes to stop him pulling the trigger.
You made the biggest mistake of your life!
Shit.
Enough of this bullshit! Drew, stop putting your boot to these doors! Yeah! Hold it, asshole!
Take it easy. We have more supplies. We can keep the deal going.
Too late, shithead! We ain't giving second chances.
It was a mix-up. We'll make it worth your while.
I'm listening.
We'll leave you everything. Just let us walk out of here.
So you can try to pay us a little visit later? Fuck that! Alright, I've had enough of this shit. Drew, take these motherfuckers! Christ!
Oh, shit!
RV!
Go around, shit, Strange. He's back there.
Now! Get over here! Hurry!
Man, you saved our asses.
Get inside!
Help!
Katya, hang on!
Where is he? He's hiding behind that van. Get your asses out of behind.
Katya, hurry! Come on! Clint, get inside the RV. It's gonna be okay. Go!
Oh, Christ!
Lily, get in the RV!
Screw her! Let her stay! Please, Walker!
Shit! Kitty, hurry up with that thing!
Lead, valve, left side, left! Left side! One right!
Doug?
Solenoid!
Lily, last chance, get down here!
Shit!
Cat! Jesus, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I'm sorry.
Calm down. We need to figure out why this happened.
Nobody died. We're okay, right? Katya, you're okay?
We just lost everything.
But we have our health.
Cat's head is split open.
I'm fine.
Somebody in here caused this.
Settle down back there. The bandits have had our number for weeks.
This is different. Somebody was working with them. Whoever it was slipping them our meds. They didn't get their last package, so they attacked.
Calm down back there. That's nuts.
Lee found a bag of supplies hidden outside the wall.
It's true.
So, Ben, I think we need to talk.
Whoa, what? Lily, let's think about this logically, no?
Logically, the new guy who could have easily been a plant? I think that's pretty logical, Doug.
You think I'd do anything to hurt you
Don't
guys?
play dumb. Were you hoping they'd eventually kill us all and you could join them?
Lily, come on.
You guys are like my family. Chill out back there. Lee, please.
I know I don't get wrapped up in the politics around here, but we really need to think before we start stringing somebody up.
Doug, I appreciate your concern, but we have all the evidence we need.
You have evidence?
No, not here, but Lee found the meds. We found an entire signaling system.
Signaling system?
I know it sounds crazy.
It is crazy. Just let me out of the car. I'll go. I didn't do it, but I'll go.
Good. That sounds great.
Lily, look at him.
Fuck. Jesus, I didn't.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you didn't have anything to do with it.
Shit.
What's going on up there?
I hit something. We gotta stop.
All right, well, we can deal with this now then.
Kitty, is it safe?
Should be.
Everybody out.
Lily.
Out. Kenny, the RV has some surface damage, but there's a walker trapped underneath.
God damn it. Everyone keep your eyes peeled.
You know what? We shouldn't just kick you out. We should hear what everybody
I think you
thinks.
should chill out. Please, look, it wasn't me. Please stop accusing me.
I'm really sorry you're upset, Ben. Just tell us you did it.
No!
This dumb fuck Walker.
You okay over there?
Yeah. Son of a bitch.
I'm not doing this.
Come on, Lee. You're the one who found them. You can't just abstain.
Fuck all that. This is nuts. We're out here on the side of the road.
Okay, fine then. Kenny?
I don't know. Fuck. Just stop, would you?
Well, your vote counts for you and Katja.
We don't need all these votes. What do I have to do for you to trust me? I'll do anything. I'll do watches for months.
Huh, the hell you will.
I'll get more food, more medicine, anything.
Stop panicking. Seriously, Ben. You need to stop and just take a breath.
Do we need any more evidence than this?
Evidence or not, this isn't any way to treat one of us.
I've heard enough out of you, okay, Doug? Kenny, what's it gonna be?
Just give me a damn minute.
Ben, you have until Kenny kills that walker to tell me it was you.
No!
Ben!
Lily!
This is about trust, and I've never trusted you.
Lily, lay off.
I can't, Lee. You know I
Please
can't.
stop.
Please don't kick me out of the group.
We won't.
Tell me. Now.
Please, let's just get back in
That's
the RV.
not happening.
I can't handle this.
There. I got him. Now, what the fuck's the problem? Ben! No!
Drop it.
Holy fuck.
Kenny, what's happening?
You duck away from the windows. Jesus Christ! Get in! We're leaving this crazy bitch.
I didn't mean to. It wasn't supposed to be him.
Just get in. We'll figure out what to do with you.
It's a bad idea, Lee. She's a murderer, for shit's sake.
I'm a murderer? You've had Lee with you this whole time.
What are you talking about?
He didn't tell you. He killed someone before all of this. He was a convicted murderer.
Is that true, Lee?
Yes.
Fucking hell. Were you ever gonna get around to telling me that? You got a little girl with you. To hell with it.
I don't have
I don't want to
anything
hear
left.
it from either of you. Just get in.
Lee, a word, please.
What's up? Is Duck feeling all right? What the fuck?
Happened during the raid.
He's gonna turn.
We don't know that.
Gotcha.
What do we really know? None of us have been bitten. We don't know what the time frame is for a child. We know nothing. I'm going to monitor him and focus on the wound and see if his condition changes.
We keep the same plan unless something changes. East.
Guys.
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Not that you've ever afforded us that type of luxury.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
Duck is bitten.
Huh?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good. What about Doug?
There's nothing to say. It's horrible.
I'm sorry if
No. You don't apologize. You had nothing to do with it, Sweet Pea. I miss my parents.
Me too.
I know. My mom played the tuba.
Really?
She was a really small lady. It was strange. Anyway, let's try not to worry about Duck too much yet.
Okay. It doesn't sound that bad.
It's not.
What happened? Holy shit! Get off of me!
We got something up ahead. Damn it. Road's blocked. Now we gotta deal with this.
Is there any way to get around it?
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to do that now.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
And I'd like everyone out of the RV except her. I don't want folks trapped in there with her.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Yeah, everyone else relax. Then, stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's a freighter, hon. Be careful in there.
What, you think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.